Hello. So today we're going to be talking about our scenario for our plans for our professional development. First, I want you to imagine this. We are District 156, and at the beginning of the school year this year, we've had our learning management system, Schoology, available for over a year, almost 2 years now. But the problem is that we switched over to a different grade reporting. So what happened was we had all sorts of difficulties with Schoology, and we still haven't incorporated everything that we could with Schoology. So here's our scenario of what the ideal world would be like with Schoology. A teacher at McHenry High School walks into her classroom in the morning and opens up her course menu, takes a look at her courses, and opens up Schoology. The plan for Schoology is to have her course and learning available beyond the classroom walls to see how the LMS can modify or redefine the learning experience for her students. So the district has deployed Schoology to all teachers and staff and has integrated all student information rosters, gradebook setup, course details, and all parents also have access to their students' Schoology courses. Students have one-to-one access to Chromebooks and Wi-Fi outside of school, as well as student Google accounts through Google Apps for Education. So in our ideal scenario, all of this communicates well, as opposed to what we had started at the beginning of the year, which was that our gradebook wasn't communicating with our grade reporting tool, and students were being dropped and added to our classes because they were just still trying to work out the kinks. So when looking at the Schoology page, we're going to view course as one of my students. If a student logged on to a Schoology page, ideally, they can clearly see logical organization of the course. If you look down here at the bottom, the course is organized by debate folders with different information in the debate folders. At the top of the course page are the things that the students are currently working on, and at the bottom are the things that the students will be working on in the future, that the teacher moves around all the time. The teacher introduces new apps and extensions to help the students gain skills in the class without causing distraction from the main goals. The course page also provides organizational tools for the students to manage their time, like the calendar up here, and if the students click on the calendar view, they can see the things that are due for the next 2 weeks in this particular class. Students can also check out their individual grades on Schoology and can access information specifically about how they performed in rubrics and assessments within Schoology. So the teacher then can provide feedback for students directly on Google Drive assignments. So for example, this is a Google Drive assignment, and ideally what we'd want all teachers to be doing is submitting things via Google Drive so students can access and see their Google Drive assignments with the grades provided by the teacher and comments provided by the teacher on the Google Drive assignments. So that's incorporated nicely into the class system. Students access revising their work, and they understand that they might need to supplement their knowledge. Students who need remediation or enrichment can take control of their own learning paths and use, for example, supplementary material. So down here, there is alternate team debate, alternate speech, so those are both supplementary materials. One is a remediation and one is a supplement enrichment activity that students can do if they have succeeded the expectations for the previous assignments. So all of this is a complete integration of course documents and material, which allows our students to have a centralized location to interact in the course. The students are also able to connect with peers, and the teacher can have an all-in-one access to course materials. Students can review classroom instruction or move at their own pace if they want to prepare for advance in the future. They know that they just have to go down here and take a look at the next thing that they're doing. And students have the ability to utilize enrichment materials at their leisure outside of class because teachers can prepare additional courses like SAT prep courses that students can sign up for and take advantage of the courses that they offer. So in an ideal world, all of our courses offered at McHenry High School would have interesting homepages in Schoology be organized in a similar fashion, and teachers would be using all the tools to their best advantage. That's currently not happening today, so that's why we're considering the full implementation of digital instructional coaches to help teachers set up their Schoology and use it to the best of their ability.